My dear students, so today's topic we have measures of central value. Now first we have to go through the introduction. Now why do we study statistics? So the primary purpose of statistical analysis or statistical method is to summarize, okay, to summarize the information given in the raw data. So whatever the information first we will collect from the statistical inquiry, that will be in the raw form, okay, that will be in the raw form, and after that we have to process the data, okay. So after collection we have analysis of data, okay, then we have to draw conclusion. So summarization is important. Summarization of data, summarization of statistical analysis, the summarization of statistical information is very essential for a better understanding. Now we will move to the average. Here what do you mean by the term average? Measures of central value, that is also called what? Average. Average. Now average is a single value that will be the representative of all the items in the given data or in the given series. Now I will explain what is average. Now suppose say you have obtained different marks in different subjects. Suppose say history you have got 60 out of 100. Similarly geography, suppose say you have got 65. Similarly economics you have got 70, and English suppose say you have got 80, and in Nepali suppose say you have obtained 75. Now when you are asked to find the average, when we say that I got 80%, 70% in ICSE exam, it doesn't mean that you have obtained 80% in all the subjects. So what is that value 80%? Suppose say in ICSE you are saying that I got 80% marks. It doesn't mean that you have obtained 80 marks in all the subjects. It means that you have got different marks, but the average value, okay, the representative, the single value, that is the representation of all the marks in or all the subjects, you have 80%. So this 80 can be considered as average, okay. So once again, what is average? Average is defined as a single value which will be the representative or the representation of all the data or all the items given in the series. So here we have taken the example of different subjects. Now in different subjects, suppose you have obtained the different marks. Now if you are asked what percentage you got or how much you got, then you will say that 70%, 80%, 75%. So when you are saying that I got 80%, I got 75%, it doesn't mean that you have got 80 marks in all the subjects. You have got 80% in all the subjects, but that is your average value, and that average value is the representative of all the marks you have received in your ICSE examination. So that is all about the average. Now this average is of two types. One is called mathematical average and the other one is called positional average, okay. This average is of two types, mathematical average and the next one we have positional average. Now in mathematical average we have to study about, okay, we have to study about arithmetic mean, okay, arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. So first one we have arithmetic mean, second one we have a geometric mean, and the third one we have harmonic mean. harmonic mean. So this average, this mathematical average is of a three type. One we have arithmetic mean, then next one we have geometric mean and harmonic mean. But this geometric mean and harmonic mean is not there in your syllabus. So this is not included in your syllabus, so we will leave this portion. We have to only study about this arithmetic mean. So I will discuss only what is this arithmetic mean. This arithmetic mean is represented by x bar, okay, x bar. Now suppose if we are talking about the height of students in your class, okay, suppose if we have considered, or we can consider marks also, no problem. In history, suppose we have got 65, suppose say x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, okay. We are considering, just for your simplicity, we are considering only 5 observations. So this x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 can be considered as observation. So what is the formula for this arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is divided as sum of the observation divided by total number of observation. We can see that sum of observation divided by total number of items, total number of items or total number of observation. So here this x bar, okay, this x bar, I will write it here, x1, x2, x3, x4, 4, x5, okay. Now the sum of observation, we have how many observation? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. So sum of observation, what we will do, that we will add x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 divided by total number of observation. Now we have to count how many number of observation we have. So check it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total number of observation we have 5. So this can be considered as arithmetic mean. So sum of observation divided by total number of observation, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 divided by total number of observation we have 5. So this is the way of calculating this arithmetic mean. Now this is in the case of simple arithmetic mean, okay, where frequency is not given and only the observation are given or items are given in the series. Then we can apply this formula. So we can say that x bar equals to summation x by n. Okay, what is the summation x? Summation x means sum of the number of observation, sum of the observation or sum of the number of observation, okay, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 divided by 5. If we would have considered till x6, that means suppose we have 6 items in the given series, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, then here also we would have written x6. Then total number of observation, instead of 5 we would have written this 6. So this depends on the number of observation, number of items included in the given series. Now the simple formula to calculate the arithmetic mean, we have x bar equals to summation x by n. And what is that n? N is the total number of observation. If we have 5, we will write here 5. If we have 6 number of observation, we will write 6. And whatever the number of observation we have given, we will add that. Then we will get the value of mean, arithmetic mean. Now, this arithmetic mean is of a two type. One is called simple arithmetic mean and the other one is called a weighted arithmetic mean. Again, this arithmetic mean is of a two type. One is called simple arithmetic mean and the other one is called a weighted arithmetic mean. Now, what is simple arithmetic mean? In the case of simple arithmetic mean, whatever the items given in the series are equally important. Okay, each and every observation in this given series has equal importance. Whereas in the case of this weighted arithmetic mean, okay, all the given observation may not have equal importance. Okay, in the terms of relative importance, they vary with each other. I'll give you one example. Suppose we are taking the example of one household. So that household, okay, if that household is given equal importance to fooding also, okay, maybe in the terms of expenditure, whatever they are supposed to spend for fooding, they are giving equal importance. For clothing also, if they are giving equal importance. For entertainment, they are also giving equal importance. Then we can consider that one as a simple arithmetic mean. That means in the case of simple arithmetic mean, all the given observation or all the given items will have equal significance or equal importance. Whereas in the case of this weighted arithmetic mean, the given items may not have same or equal importance. The importance of different items in the series may vary. I'll give you one more example. Suppose we have considered fooding, clothing, and suppose entertainment. Now, this household may give more importance to this fooding. Okay, more importance to fooding and less importance to this clothing, and very less, okay, very less to this entertainment. So we can see that in the given example, the three items have different importance given to that three different items. So when we see in the terms of relative importance, the relative importance of these three items are different. Fooding, more importance, that household is giving more importance to that fooding, then little less importance to clothing, and more than that, very less, okay, very less important to their entertainment. So here we can compare the given items in the terms of their relative importance, and that is your part of weighted arithmetic mean. Whereas in the case of simple arithmetic mean, we will give equal importance whether it is fooding, clothing or entertainment, then that will be our part of simple arithmetic mean. Now I will solve few problems related to this simple arithmetic mean, then we will move to the weighted arithmetic mean. Okay, I will take one example from your book and I will solve it and I will show you how to find the solution for this arithmetic mean. Now we can go through one example. We have question number 1. Suppose say worker number is given and a wages is given. Okay, worker number, that means first worker, second worker, third worker, fourth worker, fifth, and how many total? 10 workers are given there. First worker wage rate is 60. Second worker wage rate is suppose say 70. And the third one we have 80. Fourth one we have 85 from your given example. Then fifth worker we have 100. Then sixth worker we have 110, sixth worker 110, seventh worker we have 115, 115. Then eighth worker we have 130, 130. Ninth worker we have 140, 140. And tenth worker we have in our question 160, 160. Now what we have to do, we have to find the calculate the arithmetic mean of wages. We have to calculate the arithmetic mean of wages. So different wages are given there. First worker is getting how much rupees? 60 rupees wage rate. Second one 70, third one 80, 85, 100 and so on. Now we are asked to find the arithmetic mean. So we know that the formula of arithmetic mean is x bar. Okay, x bar equals to summation x by n. Now n is your number of workers. So how many workers we have? 10. So n equals to 10, number of workers. Now summation x means whatever the items given in the series. Here x summation x means x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 plus x6 x7 x8 x9 x10. That means 60 plus 70 plus 80 plus 85 plus 100. So we will add on. Now what we will do, that we will add it. X bar equals to summation x means 60 plus 70 plus 80 plus 85 plus 100, 100 plus 110 plus 115 plus 130 plus 140 plus 160 divided by what is the total number of observation we have? 10. Now when we add this 60 plus 70 plus 80, we are getting 1060. So by adding this one, we are getting 1060 divided by 10. Now what we'll do, that we'll cancel this value 0 0. That means x bar. Okay, x bar equals to 106 by 1. That means it is equals to 106. So mean wage. Okay, the mean wage of a worker is rupees 106. So this is the method to calculate the arithmetic. In the case of simple arithmetic mean, this is the simple method. Now if the frequency are given, then there is a different formula to calculate it. Again different methods are there. Shortcut method is there, direct method is there, step deviation method is there. So with the help of different methods we can calculate the value of this arithmetic mean. Okay, now we are going to discuss the methods of calculating that arithmetic mean. So there are three methods: direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method. So in the case of simple arithmetic mean, when the frequency are not given, then we can apply this direct method, shortcut method, okay, and this step deviation method we can apply when the frequency are given. Now formula. Okay, how to calculate this arithmetic mean by direct method. So in the case of direct method, x bar is your arithmetic mean, and that is equals to summation x by n. Summation x, again summation x is nothing but x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus dot dot dot. So this, and n is the number of observation. Okay. Now in the case of this shortcut method, x bar equals to a plus summation d by n, where d equals to x minus a. So what is that x? X is the given observation and a is assumed mean. Okay, a is the assumed mean. Now I think your concept will be clear when I start solving the problem by using a different method. So I will do that. Today I will solve one problem related to a direct method if the observation are given and frequency is not given. That is for individual series. Okay, I am going to calculate one arithmetic mean by using this direct method for individual series. And in the case of individual series, only the values, only the items in the series will be given, and on the basis of that we have to calculate the value of arithmetic mean. So I will do one problem from your book. Now page number 309, page number 309, question number 1. I'm going to solve question number 1. Marks obtained by students in 6 subjects are how much we have? 84, 91, 72, then 68, then next one we have 87 and 78. And in the question it is asked that calculate or find the value of arithmetic mean using direct method. Calculate arithmetic mean using direct method. So shortcut method is also asked, but now I will first solve this direct method. So in the case of direct method, we know that x bar equals to summation x by n. Summation x means what we will do, that we will add the marks obtained in 6 value, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 plus x6. So here x bar equals to 84 plus 91 plus 72 plus 68 plus 87 plus 78 divided by n. How many subjects we have? 6. So we will divide it by 6. Now what we'll do, that we will add this value. We will add this value 84, 91, 72, 68, 87, 78. Now if you have a calculator, you can use your calculator also. So 4 plus 1, 5, 7, 8, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 22 plus 8, 30, 0 carry 3, plus 8, 11, 9, 20, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 32 plus 8, 40 plus 7, 47. So here we are getting 470 divided by 6. So when we divide this, we will get, just wait, I think this calculation, 8 plus 7, 15. Okay, so here we are getting 480. Here we are getting 480. So total is 480 divided by 6. So 6 8s are 48. So here we are getting x bar equals to 80. So this is the mean marks, okay, or the average marks that we can calculate by using a direct method. And the remaining part we will do like shortcut method and step deviation method. We will do it in the next class.